Smoke until a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the auction dog, and today I'm taking you guys along with me on a rescue mission. I made another poor decision, and I decided that I was gonna buy another car that's not really in the greatest shape, and I'm gonna try to pull this thing out of the depths that it's been in for a year. This is a buddy of mine's car, and it used to be great. We used to drive it around all the time, but it stopped running on him because the harmonic balancer failed. And then he decided, or he didn't do anything with it for 8 months. And it sat, and actually during the hurricane, the sunroof broke, and it got a bunch of water in it, so now I'm on a rescue mission. But this car's pretty cool, check this out. It's a 2000, oops, gotta blur that out. It's a 2000 Celica GTS. And I don't know, some of you may know what this is, some of you may not. But the Celica, I think this is a 3rd gen Celica, 3rd or 4th gen. I'd have to double check on the generations. But there was two variations of this car. There was a GT and a GTS. The GT came with a 1ZZ, it was 140 base horsepower. And the GTS came with a 2ZZ, which is a 180 base horsepower. And it was the same motor they used in, I believe, the Lotus Elise. And there was a few other high performance vehicles that used this particular motor. And it's actually a really good motor, and this one runs. And it's only got 160,000 miles. It's a black Celica GTS. It is automatic, and it is pretty sacked out, honestly. But it's worth saving for the price I paid for it. So, what we're gonna do is, I got my compressor running right now. I'm gonna air this thing up, and I'm just gonna drag it out into this plot of land over here. And I'm waiting on a buddy of mine to show up, and he's gonna help me kind of get this thing home. This is exactly 1 mile from my house, literally. So what the plan is to get this thing back to my house. I already have all the parts ordered that we need, which is a harmonic balancer and a new serpentine belt. And I plan to get it cleaned up enough to get it to the auction next week. I have to be, it's a Friday right now, and I have to be done by a Wednesday, and by next Wednesday. And really the main idea behind that is, yes, I could fix this thing, but I want to try to get it done for then because it is tax season. I want to say it's February 21st or 22nd right now. So the prices at the auction are $1,000 over MMR. So this thing's gonna do a lot of money there because it books at like 69, 2 owners, no accidents. And although it needs some work, it could be cleaned up, and it's definitely savable. So plan is, like I said, to air this thing up, air the tires up. And these other two held air pretty well. Front bumper's off because it's broken, clips are broken. This tire held air. This tire already had air in it. And so I'm thinking that would be fine. I think these are the factory wheels, which is cool, and that's pretty sweet. This fender over here does have a little bit of damage right here, obviously, which sucks, but that's not the worst thing in the world. And I thought about replacing it, but we'll see, because these things are kind of scarce. The hardest thing that I'm going to have to fix for this whole car is this sunroof. After 2002, all the sunroofs were glass, but this one particularly is Lexan or plastic. But my idea, I'm gonna go to Home Depot, and I know that sounds kind of crappy, but I'm gonna see if I can replace it myself, because just this panel is 250 bucks, and the glass one is 500, and I'm absolutely not paying that much to do this thing. Not doing it. So I know this has a slight curve to it, and I'm gonna figure out exactly how to match that on a piece of Lexan. But the idea is I'm gonna take this off when I get home, and I'm gonna try to make a guide out of it, or make a template out of it, and then cut one out, and then try to make it happen. So we'll see how that one goes. That's a whole nother video. But for today, we're gonna be yanking this thing out of here. So let me finish airing this tires up, and yeah, I'm gonna try to pull it out into the grass over there. I got it in neutral. I've got the safety switch flipped. I'm gonna yank it out of here with some rope, get it out into the grass, get it positioned so I can hook up to the front of it, and I got a buddy that's gonna come help me out. We're gonna pull it back to my house, and yeah, should be fine, I think. No big deal. So let's get cracking. This tire had a little bit of air in it already, so that's good. At least they're holding. Like I said, this thing's been here for 8 months, which is nuts. Brakes are rusty as hell. I know, that's kind of why I want to bump it with my truck to see if I can get this thing just to loosen up a little bit, because I know she's frozen right here. It's been here a long time. Well, 8 months is quite a while in car world. So, dude, the thumb check seems to be good. That's good. Sweet. All right. I'm glad it came with chromies. That's really good. That's really good. Oh, can't leave that there. Gotta make sure gotta bring the chromie. You know what I'm saying? It's very important. All right. Let that tank fill back up. We're gonna air up the second one. Okay, so I now have all 4 tires aired up, and off camera I ran that rope up under the subframe there, up and around the subframe rather. I got it tied off to my, oh shit. I ran it up and around the subframe over there, and I got it tied off to my trailer hitch here. And what I'm gonna do is make sure my wheels are straight over here, which they are. And we're gonna give this a pull and try to get it out and bring it over here. And yeah, wish me luck here. I don't think it'll be too much here. I really don't. So, plan is, I'm gonna give you guys a nice bird's eye view of this whole thing here. We're gonna get you set up, so hold on. Oh, she's coming. Oh, she's coming nice. She's coming nice. Okay. Sick. Okay. We're gonna need to pull it. I like this. I'm gonna go that way. But, all right. All right, sick. I mean, this is a literal police magnet, so.
Oh, this thing?
Well, I mean, just what we're doing in general.
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, exactly. It's dark, right?
Yeah.
It's dark. And we are here, up here. It's dark. I got my boy Rob here. And we're gonna pull this thing home, right? It's gonna be good.
That's it. That's it.
Right. So, my phone's dead.
Camera died.
No, it didn't.
Oh.
My phone's dead. His is not.
No.
So we only have one walkie-talkie.
And one radio.
Yeah, we're a little fucked here. So it's gonna be fun. We'll be fine. All right. Where'd you put your phone?
I put my phone in my pocket.
Where's? Oh, mine's charging.
Yours charging.
All right, let's double check and see how that's looking. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Sweet. Looks like we're looking good. All right. It is fucking dark. Yep. Let's go. I'm good.
Is your door closed?
Yeah.
Come in tight. Come in tight. Here we go.
All right. Brakes work. I got brakes.
Okay.
So, yep. You can go that way.
Can you turn?
Yep.
Look at that, dude. I can't see that rope though, guys.
It's okay. You're good. You're tight. You're good.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright, here we go.
Oh yeah. We're off.
Fucking we're going, dude.
Let me know when we get about 100 feet from that turn. I can't see shit behind your truck.
Okay, yeah, I'll tell you. I'll be like, hey, start braking.
Yep, exactly. Because right now I'm off the brakes.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go much faster than this.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Yeah, because I don't wanna have to do like, hey, slam on the brakes.
Exactly.
Almost to the stop sign.
All right. I'm on the brakes.
Alright. You good?
Yep.
Alright. No,
Brian's calling you.
that's my brother.
All right. You're good. Yep.
Tight turn, baby. Tight turn. You got that?
Oh yeah, we're good.
To my left.
We're in there.
There you go.
We're going left here?
Yeah, I'm gonna go left here, then we'll go straight away.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I mean, I could go through this little area right
Nah, go left. Fuck it. We're good.
Alright, go ahead. Stop it now. Stop it. There
We're
you go.
stopped.
Okay.
Brakes are working about 10%. It's good.
That's fine. That sounds typical.
That's all we need. That's all we need.
You need to slow enough to just roll into me.
Exactly. Like I said, just give her a little kiss, dude.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Alright, here's the stop sign.
Perfect.
Slow it up.
Perfect.
There you go. Alright, stop sign. Almost there. I can see. Alright, stop.
Nice. All right, let's go ahead and pull out onto the main road.
Alright, mate. Alright, here.
I'll give her some gas. It'll be good. Perfect.
Follow that thing down. Here we go. Nice and wide.
Nice.
Come on your left.
Perfect.
Alright, here we go. Alright, can you see up there to that stoplight up there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, alright. Right, sir. Yeah, this isn't bad at all, dude. It's like, I haven't done this in years, dude. I love it.
Oh, we're cruising, dude.
Dude, we're moving fast.
Yeah.
This is way faster to get that stupid column hauler and try to push up the fucking ramp.
I just can't wait to drive past the this dispatching police precinct. Oh wow, what a primetime green light, huh?
Yeah, perfect.
Couldn't be any better. Oh, nothing to see. Nothing to see here, folks. Nothing to see here, folks.
Oh, normal stuff. Probably like, look at these assholes.
I know. Couldn't get a tow truck, huh? Light Friday paycheck, buddy.
Dude, if it turns green, I'm 25 yards behind him, I'll punch you. You know? No, that's what I said. We're almost there. Let's not fuck it up now.
Yeah, exactly. I know, leave it up to me, dude. The last 20%, it's like, for fuck's sake.
What's that?
I said to leave it to me, the last 20%, dude. You try to rush it, and it's like, wham.
I did the same thing. I'm like, we're almost there. Just fucking punch.
We're back.
That's it.
We're here, dude.
That's it. We made it.
She's dark.
That's it.
It's dark. It's fucking
dark.
shit.
Yeah.
Got a street light over here.
Yeah.
But the Celica is home.
That's it, man.
And that is the conclusion of this episode. So I'm happy that this thing's here. There's a lot more wrong with it than I had hoped, but whatever. Nonetheless, I'm happy to have it, and we got one more thing to do. So if you guys did watch this far, thank you guys very much for even doing it. I appreciate it. I appreciate the viewership, honestly. And if you did like the video, please consider subscribing. We got a lot more stuff going on like this. Normally I buy BMWs like this, that M3, and I got an M3 over there, and that's my X5. But we do buy Toyotas, and we like to buy Hondas too. And I am a dealer here down in South Florida, so we have a lot of fun, man. So thank you guys very much for watching. Peace out, my dogs. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.